Recently, some Mobile Legends gamers keep saying the Mobile Legends Bang Bang is keep crashing and the game app is not opening, and the user can play games on their Android devices. So after analyzing the issues, here I present the top 3 proven solutions that will fix the Mobile Legends Bang Bang keep crashing issues on Android. So let's get started. First, open Setting, scroll down to Additional Setting, scroll down to the Developer option. Make sure to turn on the developer option. Scroll down and find Graphics Drive Preferences. Tap on it. Now find Mobile Legends Gaming Apps. Tap on the Mobile Legends. Choose System Graphic Driver. Now go back, scroll down, and tap Allow Screen Overlay on Setting. After this process, scroll down and enable Always Show Crash dialog. After that, now move on and follow the second process. To follow the second process, open Setting, scroll down to Apps, tap Manage Apps, look for the Mobile Legends Bang Bang application. Tap on it. Now tap Auto Start, tap Other Permission, tap Display pop-up windows while running in the background. Now go back, tap Battery Saver, tap No Restriction, enable all the setting, tap Clear Data, choose a Clear All Cache. Tap OK. Now follow the third process. Open the Google Play Store, search for Mobile Legends Bang Bang Gaming Apps. Make sure to update the Mobile Legends game on your Android device. After following all the work accordingly, you'll be able to solve the Mobile Legends Bang Bang keep crashing issues on Android, and you'll be able to play the Mobile Legends as well. If you still have a problem, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.